Morning geocachers. It's a chilly January morning, well it's almost the end of January, and I'm out doing a few geocaches along the city walls in York. I'm going to have a look for this one next, which as you can see is about a kilometre away. That's as the crow flies. It's going to be a little bit further than that on foot. But at least you'll get to see some nice footage of the city from a different perspective. Let's get looking. One of the nice things about doing a walk along the city walls is, apart from the history of the walls themselves, you do get to see the city from some interesting and different perspectives. So like over there you've got the Minster, and then you get to peer through these and see what else you can see. In about a month or so, this will all look amazing out there because all the daffs will be out. Now we actually have to come off the city walls here and rejoin them a bit further down Foss Islands there. So here we've got the River Foss, currently a bit higher than normal because of some floods. There's been a lot of rainfall of late. So this is the Red Tower, and this is where we rejoin the city walls. There is actually a cache in this area, and if you check out one of my earlier videos, you'll find it in there. These were closed the last time I came to attempt these city wall caches for this very reason, because it was all icy, and so they close off the city walls because they're very open, and there's, as you can see, there's no handrails. Never been sure whether I'd like to live in one of those flats with so many people walking past, nosy buggers like me peering in. I'm just approaching Warmgate Bar here, but through there, the green building, roughly centre screen, that's my favourite pub in the whole city, the Rook and Gaskill, run by my lovely friends Paul and Mandy. Okay, down we go again. And then back on at the other side. As I say, you can see why they close these off when it's icy. They're very uneven, and I would imagine very slippery when iced up. Over there, behind the walls, you've got what used to be the Barbican. Well, the Barbican is still there, but there used to be an indoor pool. And now, like many redevelopments in York, it's a hotel. Brilliant. But when I say hotel, I think they're called Stay City Apartments. So it's more like one of those where you can hire like a little apartment. Just over there, centre screen, you've got the Minster. If you've seen the earlier videos in this series, you'll have seen the ones where we walked around from the other side. Okay, time for a quick look, see how we're getting on. 170 or so metres away. Another quick crossover. On some caches, I've found the cache owner has gone to great lengths to be very discreet about it, make it really hard to find, and on others they're really easy to find, and the hints are just so obvious too. And this one is just blatant, it's right in plain view, although the thing is a bit cracked. Gonna need the tweezers for this. Oh yeah, very waterlogged. Okay. I'll just show you what I mean about the tube. The tube's actually broken, and so the log is actually soaked. It's cracked, unfortunately. Not quite sure what to do with this one for the best. I don't have any tape with me in my bag to fix it up. So what I'll do is I'll log it and let the cache owner know that it requires attention. I'll just take a photo. Okay, I hope you liked this. If you have, give the video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh, I will just say, if you have liked this and you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to the channel. Costs you nothing. It just means that when you open YouTube, you get a notification to say that I've uploaded another video. See you soon.